Guys, this is Matt Tolbers with Performance Diecast. In this video, I'm going to unbox this Nissan GT-R Nismo GT500. It's a 165 scale by Takara Tomy. My buddy actually got me this when he went to Japan like a month or two ago, so I just haven't opened it up yet. So we'll just make a quick little video here, open it up here and see what it looks like. Here it is. It's actually kind of cool. I like the black on it. How well you guys can see it. Nismo got a big old wing. Look at that thing. Obviously that's for the track. See, do the doors open? Oh, the door's open. That's cool. You can see in there. The driver's side. Wait, would this be the driver's side? Yeah, this is the driver's side. A little square there. I don't know what that's for. It's weird. Little wheels. The hood open. Nope, I don't think so. I think it's just a cool little body kit on it. These are actually stickers, so I'm gonna put these stickers on quick. Here it is. This is a 165 scale, tiny little car. Well, I mean, it's just a regular like Matchbox looking car. But here it is. Got some of the stickers on there. Didn't put them all on there, but yeah, I like the color. I think that's about the coolest part of it. It's a nice little Matchbox looking car. It's rolling away because it's slanted a little bit here, but yeah, there it is. So, alright guys, if you like this, leave a like and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So, I want to get a 118 scale coming soon of the GT-R, and I got a bunch of other cool cars coming. So, alright, talk to you later. Peace.